let me take you through this big news coming in. As the CBI currently is grilling Sandeep Ghosh, we hear in the latest, he's now being taken to the Sealdah court. That's the latest information we have on the ex-principal Sandeep Ghosh, and 4 interns at the moment have been taken to Sealdah court by the CBI. It's yet to be ascertained whether they have been taken to the court for recording their statements or whether they have been detained under Section 164 for a polygraph test. Remember, the CBI has asked for a polygraph test to be carried out of Sandeep Ghosh to see if there's more that he could really reveal through this lie detector test. And that's the latest we have on Sandeep Ghosh, that he's now been taken to Sealdah court along with 4 interns. Now, who are these interns? What kind of association they've had with Sandeep Ghosh? They've been working very closely with him. The CBI is looking into all angles, and after 7 days of grilling him, Sandeep Ghosh has now been taken to the Sealdah court, but we're yet to ascertain whether this is because he's detained or whether they've taken him to court only to record his statement. But the CBI, remember, has asked for his lie detector test to be done. In fact, a little earlier today, I myself was at the CBI office when Sandeep Ghosh, the ex-principal, arrived there. I tried to ask him a question. Of course, he did not want to speak to the media. But here is a look at what happened right in the morning when he arrived. I did try to get a comment, but in vain. Principal of Ajikar is here, as he's been called. Big question. Sandeep Ghosh, that's Sandeep Ghosh there, the ex-principal of Ajikar, who's been called in, remember, for a record 7th day for questioning here. 7 consecutive days that Sandeep Ghosh has been summoned by the CBI, which really means that they have a lot. Remember, India Today's exclusive expose showed how his own colleague, Akhtar Ali, has cast aspersions on his credibility and his past history, that he has been a corrupt principal. There were lots of reports that were presented where he misused unclaimed bodies. All right, Rajiv Saha with us for a little more on that. Let me quickly cut across. Rajiv. Rajesh, if you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Rajesh, if you can hear me, could you please tell me if the ex-principal has been taken to record his statement, or is he being detained with the 4 interns?
So, as for the social information we are getting from CBI, that he has not been detained so far. He has been taken to Sealdah court by CBI officers. He was summoned by CBI today. Today was the 7th day he was summoned by the CBI, and he reached CGO complex, which is CBI office in Kolkata. And during the interrogation, CBI decided to conduct a polygraph test of the former principal of Ajikar Hospital, and for taking the permission, for taking the approval from the court, CBI has taken him to Sealdah court. As for the social information we are getting from CBI, that CBI likely to seek permission for to conduct the polygraph test of former principal of Ajikar Hospital, Mr. Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. The CBI is going to appeal for his polygraph test, and to conduct this polygraph test, the approval from the court is mandatory, for which he has been taken to Sealdah court, and within a few minutes, CBI is likely to seek permission before the court to conduct his polygraph test for this information. Nabila.
All right, Rajesh, thank you very much.